Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we are going to be making one of my favorite meal prep recipes I have ever made. We are going to be making honey lemon chicken rice bowl recipe, a recipe for dinner, so easy, healthy, and tasty. Quick and easy dinner idea that is better than takeout. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones. To start, we're gonna cook rice. Here in my pot, I have about 4 cups of boiling water along with 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of washed rice. Always wash your rice, guys. It helps to remove the surface starch that causes the rice to clump together or get gummy as it cooks. Here we're gonna let the water to come to a boil again, then cover and cook for 13 minutes. The next thing we are going to make is the sauce. So here in the bowl, add honey. We're gonna follow with soy sauce. We're gonna also add in chili garlic oil, minced garlic. We're gonna add cornstarch. Cornstarch serves as a thickening agent when added to sauces. We're gonna give that a stir. And the last ingredients we will need to add to the sauce is the lemon. We're gonna go ahead and juice 1 lemon on a citrus juicer. Add lemon juice and chicken stock to the sauce. Whisk everything together, then set aside. Now let's move on to prep the vegetables. Here I have baby carrots. We're gonna go ahead and cut them in half lengthwise. Then we're gonna add them into a pot with cold water along with salt. Bring it to a boil. As soon as the water starts boiling, turn off the heat. Next thing we are going to do here is to prep the broccoli. I have 2 heads here. Using a paring knife, I'm gonna run it around the stem to remove the florets into the bite-sized pieces. And if some pieces, guys, are bigger than the other ones, just treat them up and make sure they are all in the same size. Making same size helps with even cooking. The other thing I forgot to mention, I already washed the broccoli heads, guys. Always wash your vegetables. The next thing we are going to do is to heat 1 tablespoon of oil, then add garlic. As soon as you add garlic, just make sure that you just spread it across the pan. Immediately add the broccoli. Reduce your heat to medium high and saute the vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes. The next thing we are going to do is to season the broccoli with black pepper and salt. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the tree. Now add boiled carrots along with 1/3 cup of carrot water. Cover with the lid and allow the vegetables to steam. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the water has dried up and the vegetables are still on the crunchy side. Now we're gonna turn off the heat and remove them and put them on a plate. It takes only 5 minutes to steam them until tender. Now let's move on to work on the last dish, which is honey lemon chicken, my favorite, guys. We're gonna go ahead and cut chicken breast into bite-sized chunks. I'm using 3 chicken breasts here. You can also use boneless chicken thighs. They both work the same. As soon as the oil starts sizzling, we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken pieces. Make sure you place them in a single layer, guys. How is everyone doing, guys? If you are enjoying this video, give it a like and leave a comment down below. Next, we're gonna season with black pepper. At this stage, I'm not adding salt. Remember, guys, our sauce contains soy sauce, so there's plenty of salt in soy sauce, which makes it great for seasoning pretty much anything that needs seasoning. So I'm gonna wait until we put the sauce. That's when I can add salt. And after flipping the chicken and let it cook for 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce and Szechuan dry chili. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes until the sauce has thickened. The next thing we are going to add is the green onion. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. Only the green part, guys, not the white part. Now add the green onions, mix well, and our orange honey chicken is ready to be served. Now back to the rice. We're gonna use the fork to flap the rice. I'm using basmati rice here, guys. Now it's time to portion the rice evenly between 6 food storage containers. Top with your desired garnishes, then serve immediately or let it cool and cover with the lid and refrigerate up to 4 days. Mine never lasts, guys. As soon as I dish, my kids and my husband, they want to dig in. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Try it and let me know what you think about this recipe. One thing I like about it is very easy to make. From start to finish, it only takes 35 to 50 minutes and you are done, guys. And one thing I like about steamed broccoli and carrot, it adds a lot of color, vitamins, minerals to your meal. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Share my videos with your friends and your family. This is a budget-friendly meal prep. Try it, guys. Let me know how it turned out for you, how you like the dish. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my